Hey everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for joining me today. I wanted to start out by letting everyone know that I plan on making a How I Mix My Paints video. You guys have been asking me to do this for a very long time, so you ask, I will deliver. But I wanted to see exactly what type of video you guys are interested in seeing. Would you rather see a Dutch pour video or a Shelley formula with the blooms and the swipes, or a pearl pour? Let me know in the comments which How I Mix My Paints video you guys would rather see, and I will definitely get started on making that really soon. So now for the painting that you guys are going to see in the video. This is the dried results. It is a 15 by 30 inch canvas with my usual browns and golds on a beige background. I'm not sure which way I like this one the best. I think I kind of like it better this way because it kind of reminds me of a treble clef. But yeah, again, this is a 15 by 30 inch canvas. It is for sale in my Etsy shop. If you guys are interested, I will leave a link in the description box. As usual, my colors and formula will be listed in the description box as well, so please don't forget to check that out. And also, please don't forget to comment in the comment section about which How I Mix My Paints video you guys would like to see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.